Welcome friends. In this video module, we will learn about graphics in Microsoft Word. To insert graphics in Microsoft Word, go to Insert tab. Now here, we can use multiple options to insert graphics in our document. Go to the symbol group. Here you can find equations where different type of equations are given which you can include in your document, which is often useful. Or if you are working with any scientific document, you has to add some symbols which are accessible from here. You can also explore more symbols by clicking on this button. Now let us talk about some pictorial graphics. For that, we have an illustrations group in our insert tab. Let's explore this. First is picture. Click on picture to insert a picture from any file. It will open a dialog box from where you can go to your computer and select any of the picture. Let us take this picture and click on insert. As you can see, the picture is being inserted in our document. We can resize this picture by clicking at the edges and dragging the mouse cursor. We can also rotate this. When we mouse over this green little button, our cursor will transfer into an arrow, and by clicking and dragging it back and forth, you can rotate this picture. And this was the first picture. By default, the format tab is selected. From here, you can manage brightness of the picture, contrast of the picture, colors of the picture, and many other options like size, arrangement, and picture styles. The second type of graphics are clip arts. Click on clip arts. As you can see, at the rightmost corner there is a panel from where you can browse all the clip arts that are available in your computer. You can also search for several clip arts like science, and if you click on go, it will search all the clip arts which are related to science and we can use it. As you can see, we have inserted a clip art, and just like a picture, we can resize it and rotate it. Next, shapes. When we click on shapes, there will be a drop down from which you can select any of the shape. For an example, we will take this rectangle, and here it is. Now by default, the format tab is selected, and we can format the rectangle we have just inserted. We can resize it, we can rotate it just like picture or clip art. There are some styles which we can apply on the inserted shape. Now smart arts. Smart arts are basic graphics which are useful to express some special form of data. We can navigate all the smart arts by scrolling it up and down or selecting these tabs: lists, processes, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, and pyramid. Next is charts. Charts are graphical representation of statistical data. Here column charts, line, pie, bar, area, and many other charts are available. So this was the tutorial upon how to add and edit graphics in your document. Thank you.